TapTap Send versus Remitly. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which money transfer app gives you more value. So make sure to like and subscribe. Both TapTap Send and Remitly lets you send money abroad, but they are built differently. So let's compare them. Number 1 is their supported countries and reach. Remitly covers more countries overall. It's over 100 plus, and it supports both bank and cash pickup options, while TapTap Send is more focused, primarily serving Africa, Asia, and Latin America with mobile money transfers. Number 2, transfer speed. TapTap Send often delivers within minutes to mobile wallets, especially in countries like the Philippines, Ghana, and Bangladesh, while Remitly offers both express and economy options. Express is fast, within just minutes, but fees are higher, and economy is cheaper but slower. Number 3, fees and exchange rates. TapTap Send promotes no-fee transfers, but rates includes markup, and Remitly charges clear fees, especially on express transfers, but often offers better exchange rates for large amounts. Number 4, user experience. Both of the apps are simpler and secure, while TapTap is more lightweight and mobile focused, and Remitly offers more advanced options like delivery tracking and promo codes. Lastly is their trust and security. Both of them are licensed and trusted, while Remitly has been around longer and is backed by major partners. And TapTapSend is newer, but it's gaining ground fast. So for final verdict, you can use TapTapSend if you are sending smaller amounts to mobile wallets fast. And you can choose Remitly for more options, global coverage, and bigger transfers. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.